Hey YouTube fans, this is Preston Demas, Skirt Skirt Tuna 8086, and I'm gonna share with you a video of my fishing experience over the summer. Pretty good video. Gotta tell you that I didn't mean to catch the seagull. It was by accident. And remember, I'm the tiger you wanna tame.
Oh man, I'm stuck on two.
Two seagulls?
I'm stuck on two seagulls.
One. What are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna tighten the drag right now. See if I can get this seagull untangled. It's a heck of a fight.
One over there.
It's getting nailed.
Oh, that one. Ooh, not too good. And then there's one over there. I don't know where he went. Oh, Preston, the other one got entangled. The other one got entangled. Oh, jeez. I think I just got a bite, too. It's okay, Bernie. Oh, this is sad. Are you gonna try to get it off?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to cut it from both sides so that there's not line on the other side of it. Yeah, it's a little hurt right now. It might. Be careful. They're pretty aggressive. You can touch it.
I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it.
So try to get it on.
Well,
So what I did there is cut it from one side and cut it from the other side so that there's nothing attached to him, and he's gonna go back to his world and hopefully live peacefully.
good man, good man.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.